In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a REPL for JavaScript on Replit. Starting off, we'll begin by accessing the Replit platform. To do this, you'll need to visit the Replit website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's quite easy to set one up. Once that's done and you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which features the Replit agent input box. It's a versatile tool that will help streamline the process of setting up your JavaScript project. Now, on to the next step, describing your JavaScript project. You want to provide a natural language description of the application you wish to create. For example, you might input a prompt like, "Create a JavaScript application that fetches weather data from an API and displays it on a web page." Essentially, you're telling the system what you want your application to do, which allows the Replit agent to better understand your needs and lay the groundwork for your project. Following this, we've got a customization phase. This is where you really start to mold your project to fit your particular needs. You have the option to attach relevant files or select specific frameworks, such as Express.js for the backend if you're looking to build server-side components, or React for the front end if you're focusing on user interface elements. Additionally, you can define any environment variables that are essential for your project to function correctly. Customizing these elements ensures that the basic structure aligns with your vision. The next pivotal step is to initiate the build. Once you're satisfied with the customization, locate and click the Start Building button. This action sets the Replit agent in motion, generating the necessary files and setting up the environment precisely tailored to your project requirements. It's a fantastic feature that takes a lot of the grunt work off your plate, allowing you to focus on what really matters: coding and innovation. Finally, there's interaction with the Replit agent. Think of it as your digital assistant throughout the development process. You can use the chat interface to ask the agent for additional features, to debug code, or even to deploy your application when everything is ready. It's an ongoing resource as you build and perfect your JavaScript application, providing support and guidance whenever you need it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up and manage a JavaScript project on Replit. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just diving into the world of coding, this process makes it accessible and straightforward to bring your project ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy coding.